Hey folks, have you looked at the price of tires lately? Some of them are outrageously expensive. Well, that means if you get a puncture in a tire, well, you really don't want to replace it. But you may have to. Now here's one of the things that you need to be aware of. You see the white lines that we've drawn on this tire? Well, that is the area between those two white lines where you can repair a tire that has a puncture. All right, now, you can't repair it out on the sides because of the way the tread and the fabric belts and everything underneath the tread are put together along the edge. So if it's out here past these lines, typically you're going to have to replace that tire. But it gets more complicated than that. Seems that a lot of you want to go to the cheapest guy in town. You want to have a technician come out to your car, take a tool, jam a plug through the tire, and put some air in it and send you down the road. Well, that's a very, very bad idea. You see, you want a couple of things with any type of repair on the tire. Number one, you always want the tire removed from the wheel. At least look inside it, because you don't know how long you've been driving on a tire that may be slightly underinflated, and the inside of the tire could be all chewed up and you wouldn't know it. You plug it, you put air in it, it holds air, you get out on the highway, boom, the tire explodes. Not good, very dangerous. So you always demount the tire to perform a repair. Now that plug, perfectly fine. Here we have one right here. We've put it through the tire, but what we have to do is we have to look at the inside of this tire. Now if you notice the inside of the plug, we have put a sealing material around that plug. Now that sealing material is to keep air from migrating between the plies of the tire and causing bubbles on the side of the tire. So if you don't do that, you could have a tire that comes apart. Now the reason we want a plug and not a patch is because the plug will seal the outside of the tire and keep water from getting in through the hole into the steel belts and things like that and causing stuff to rot. So sealed on the outside with a good high quality plug, sealed on the inside with a special sealant that goes around the plug, and you have a safe repair as long as it's within those lines that we've put on the tire. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Goss's Garage on YouTube, follow us on Facebook, and for more car tips, tricks, and money-saving ideas, visit goss-garage.com. Drive gently. See you next time, right here in Goss's Garage.